Okay, we just got done with this automatic 91 3000 GT. We did a transmission rebuild on it. We did a lot of debugging and determined that the TCU was also bad. And I think we got it all solved now, so we're just gonna go for a drive.
You're gonna have to blur that sticker out.
Not the what?
Blur that sticker out.
Oh, I can do that. Oh yeah.
Oh my goodness.
Yep, shifted perfect. The other thing Eli did today is the power eco button was actually physically jammed, and it's actually pretty involved to change that because you have to take the shaft out of the shifter and all the carpets off and the console, and he just got done with that. But in eco mode, these transmissions are just really conservative, so I usually run around in power. So downshift's good. This car also has a shift kit in it, so it does shift a little bit more aggressively, but it's not something you would want to live with, you know, not like an all-out race transmission, but shifts nice. And this is just a really nice car, pulls straight, drives good. I guess I started the video out a little bit wrong because we just got power mode to work, but I did drive it yesterday. So besides we just run to town a few times checking things out, I ran this back to my home, and so that's about a 35-minute trip. So we have about 60-70 miles on this car so far, and we just want to do that to make sure everything's perfect and that nothing's going to give them problems. We put it back on the lift and we look for leaks, and we check for any loose bolts or anything like that, and just we checked it over and everything's good. I'm gonna get flipped around right here. This is kind of our go-to spot just to get turned around. But yeah, on power mode it really way more lively as far as just downshifting and everything like it's supposed to.
More than my car ever was.
Shifting good. That's full throttle. Have to let off because I don't want to be doing 100. Yeah. Looks like this van doesn't see us. Oh, he did. Okay, that's cool. Or whatever that is. There's second gear downshift. Third, really nice. It's a great shift in transmission. When these autos work right and you put a shift kit in them, they're pretty nice. Don't let everybody tell you they're sloppy and stuff like that. It really needs to be in good shape for one thing, and then the shift kit that we use and recommend really helps them out. And like I said, it's not something to where you're gonna be like, oh, this is shifting so hard I don't want to drive it. You know, it's fine. It doesn't impact any of your functionality driving around. You still use like your overdrive button and everything. All works great. So yeah, I'm just really happy with this. I'm so happy with this. I'm gonna run up the road a little bit more and just put a few more miles on it. We'll head back to the shop, just give the car a good dusting and everything like that, make sure it's clean, and the client can come pick it up. So if you have a 3000 GT or even like an Eclipse that has F4 A33 automatic that's giving you some trouble or it's starting to slip or anything like that, we rebuild them in-house. People freight them in, we send them back, or they freight their whole car in. And sometimes it's surprisingly affordable to freight a car in. From what I understand, this gentleman paid something like $600 to ship his car here, and will remove and replace the trans, including fluids, for $1,500. So we're pretty reasonably priced, I think, for a specialty shop on that. And so you might consider just sending your whole car in. But either way, check us out at Revenge Performance. We'll see if we can get some revenge on your ride. Revenge Performance is the place to get the parts and the advice to help right the wrongs on your vehicle. We partner with the industry leaders in parts distribution and warehousing to get you the best possible prices, the widest selection of parts, and the fastest shipping. With our real-time inventory on our website, if we say we have it in stock, it's ready to ship. From us or from our many national distribution partners. With hundreds of thousands of parts available, I guarantee we can get revenge on your ride.